breakfast is more than just a morning meal for Filipinos. It is inextricably linked to Filipino culture and heritage. It's the start of a day full of delicious cuisine, which will include lunch, merienda, and dinner. And now that the Philippines' thousands of islands have reopened to tourists, it's the ideal moment to start planning a food-focused trip. These are the delectable breakfast foods and beverages to enjoy first thing in the morning to kick off the day in style. Sinangag. Sinangag or garlic fried rice is the foundation of most Filipino breakfasts. Sinangag is a basic dish with only a few ingredients: garlic, salt, pepper, oil, and rice, but it demands a lot of effort and precision to guarantee it's cooked properly. For the right level of crispiness, the garlic must be fried to a specific level of golden brown but not burnt, the rice must be a day old for the perfect texture, and the salt level must enhance it all but not too much, because sinangag is typically served with highly flavorful proteins that have been marinated, cured, or salted. Because sinangag is usually served with sunny-side-up eggs, it's called sinangag at itlog, which is subsequently abbreviated to silog. Tocino. Tocino means bacon in Spanish, but it's a sweet cured pig that's pan-fried in its own marinade until it's caramelized in the Philippines. It originated in the province of Pampanga, which is widely considered as the Philippines' gastronomic capital. Kakanin. Although there are many different types of kakanin, they all have a few key elements in common. The most prominent is malagkit, a sticky sweet rice. This grain is particularly starchy, giving it the sticky characteristic that kakanin is known for. Other necessary ingredients include gata and sugar. Bibingka, made with pulverized rice, coconut milk, and egg, then topped with salted egg and grated cheese for that classic Filipino salty-sweet mix, is one of the most popular kakanin. Tapa. Tapa is commonly grilled or pan-fried and consists of thinly sliced beef marinated in soy sauce and calamansi, a citrus fruit that tastes like lemon, lime, and orange fused to produce one tart yet sweet superfruit. Tapa, like many other Filipino preparations such as adobo, a method of preserving food in vinegar and soy sauce to prevent bacteria growth, was a popular way to increase the shelf life of meats by curing or drying them, almost like beef jerky. It's now usually another delectable silog choice. Lugaw. Lugaw is a savory rice porridge that is believed to have originated in China and arrived in the Philippines via Chinese congee. The rice is cooked long and slow with chicken until the grains melt into a thick and velvety consistency in the most basic variations, which are accented by ginger. With a few dashes of patties, fish sauce, and scallions and fried garlic, the porridge can be simply seasoned. A hard-boiled egg and takwat baboy, fried tofu, and boiling pork are two additional toppings that can be added to make it more filling.